Hello everyone. Are you wondering what gender fluid means? Let's explore. Gender fluid refers to a gender identity that shifts over time between different genders. A gender fluid person might feel more male, female, both, or neither at different times, and their gender identity can change based on various factors such as mood, circumstances, or time. This identity reflects a dynamic approach to gender, where the individual's experience of their gender is flexible rather than fixed. Gender fluidity challenges the idea that gender is static, offering a way for people to express their gender in a way that is true to their fluctuating experience. In essence, being gender fluid is about having a gender identity that is not confined to a single category, allowing for movement and change over time. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.